So L prime. Oh, fuck. L prime. L prime, D, L prime. L, so L. L. Toe. I might have fucked up already. QRS. T is here. L. Toe. So O is MNO. O is here. So D prime. Hold on. G prime? D prime L D. D prime L D. D prime L D. Alto cuck. So now C. So G, D, 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 D. Yeah. K, cuck. So K is here. So L, D. Cuck. Now Q is here, so Q is going to be L prime D. QX. L, to, K, Quicks. I think it's P, no? L, to, K, Quicks. P, I think it's P next. Oh, P. P and then R perm. Okay. Her chair failed when Larry put Vaseline. So E, F, G, H. H is here. So H is gonna be D prime R. D prime R. Her chair. So I'm actually gonna do R2 D prime. Her chair EF. I'm gonna do F prime D. F prime D failed when UVW when Larry, so IJKL, Larry is gonna be F2 R prime, F2 R prime, F2 R prime, F2 R prime. Larry puts OP MNOP. I'm gonna do front FD. So and then Vaseline. All right, it should be solved. Hopefully it's solved. All right. Holy sh! Oh yeah.